Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online class of English Grammar for Grade 4. Here is your teacher, Mrs. Naula. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to do the study about pronouns and homophones. You will have a couple of exercises on pages 96 and 97 of your English grammar book. First of all, I would like to tell you something about homophones. The words that sound alike but have different spellings and meanings are called homophones. I will repeat. The words that sound alike but have different spellings and meanings are called homophones. Now here is an example about homophone. Your versus your. I am pronouncing both expressions as your and your. But if you look very deeply, you will see the spellings are different, the meanings are different. This is your and this is actually you are. And this you are has been written in a form of contraction. That's why you will read it as your. Now when you will use your and when will you use this your, you will have to look into this example. Your means a possessive. It is actually a possessive adjective. Excuse me, but I think your hair is on fire. And this you are, which are having the words you and are written in a contraction and become ultimately your. Excuse me, but you are sitting on my dog and cutting off his air supply. My dear students, if you look at these words, these are homophones. The words whole and whole. Both are pronounced in the same tone, in the same sound, but their spellings are different, their meanings are different. So I hope you will have understood what are homophones. Homophones are the words which are similar in sound but are opposite in meanings and spellings. The words like need and need, new and new, night and night, these are homophones. I hope the book will be open before you on page number 96. Read each sentence, circle the correct word in parentheses and write it on the line to complete the sentence. Number 1. The boys put their coats and ran outside. Please write there THEIR. Number 2. Did you drop your letter in the mailbox? The answer will be YOUR, your. Number 3. Bring an umbrella if it's raining. Bring an umbrella if it's raining. The answer will be IT''S. Number 4. Did you go there last Saturday? Did you go there last Saturday? Here for question number 4, the answer will be there THERE. Number 5. You are lucky to be in the school play. You are lucky to be in the school play. The answer will be you are, YOU''RE. When you will read you are in a form of contraction, it will become your. You are lucky to be in the school play. Please write your with capital Y since it is in the beginning of the sentence. Number 6. I think they are coming to my party. I think they are coming to my party. THEY'RE. Number 7. The log is slippery because it's wet. Here you are going to write it's IT''S. Number 8. Is that cute puppy your dog? Is that cute puppy your dog? Number 9. I took their advice and did my homework early. I took their advice and did my homework early. And the last one of this exercise. I think you are the best friend in the world. I think you are the best friend in the world. Here you are going to write YOU''RE. My dear students, now please be attentive as we are going to do the next page, that is 97. Here you will have two exercises. Exercise A. Read each sentence and circle the subject pronoun. On the line, write a contraction for the subject pronoun and verb. That verb will not be the action verb, rather a linking verb. And what are subject pronouns? The words like he, she, it, they, I, we, and you are called subject pronouns. They are about to get on the bus. The word they is a subject pronoun. You will circle it, and on the line you will write the contraction of they and are. THEY''re. Number 2, you are early for the movie. Here in this sentence, the subject pronoun is you. Please circle you, and you will write YOU''re on the small line, your. Number 3, it is in the box on the floor. Here you are going to circle it, and on the small line you will write the contraction of it is. That will become its, IT''s. And now we are going to do exercise B. Underline the homophone that correctly completes each sentence. Here in every sentence you will have 2 or 3 homophones. The best one, the correct one, will be underlined. Do you think they are at the park right now? Here you will underline THEY''re. Just underline the correct homophone there. Number 5. Is this your backpack? Please underline your. And the last one, the cat licked its paw over and over again. The cat licked its paw over and over again. Here you will underline its. My dear students, so far we have done our exercises on pages 96 and 97. I hope you will have understood about homophones and their linking with pronouns. As a homework, you will revise the exercises. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.